Pamela Salzman. Welcome to my kitchen. In today's cooking class, I am going to be showing you how to make one of my most popular recipes, which are vegan oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I'm not even vegan and I'm obsessed with them. They're so easy and they're pretty good for you too. Okay, let's get started. The first ingredient that you need is oat flour. You can actually make your own oat flour at home if you have a food processor or a Vitamix. You're just gonna take old-fashioned rolled oats. Feel free to get gluten-free ones if you need this to be a gluten-free recipe. Put them in your food processor and press on. Just blend until you get a nice fine powder that looks like flour. Okay, perfect. Now, take the oat flour out of the food processor, put it into a big mixing bowl, and then to that, you're gonna add in your salt and your baking soda and a little bit of cinnamon. Back to the food processor, don't even bother to wash it out. You're gonna place walnuts and you're gonna process this until you have a nice, fine, crumbly meal. You can use other nuts too, but I happen to like walnuts the best. Then, after it's nice and fine, add in your coconut oil, maple syrup, and vanilla extract, and then process this mixture until it kind of looks like nut butter. All right. Take it out of the food processor and then pour this into your mixing bowl that had the oat flour mixture. Combine this well and now fold in 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats and some chocolate chips. I like dark chocolate, but feel free to use semi-sweet chocolate if that's what you prefer. And that's it. Now I've got my baking sheets lined with parchment. I'm gonna take an ice cream scooper and I'm gonna scoop equal amounts of the batter onto the parchment paper. I like to use a dampened hand just to flatten them out slightly. And then we're gonna bake them at 350 degrees for approximately 13 to 15 minutes. You want the tops to be slightly dry and maybe even a little bit golden brown. Pull them out and allow them to cool slightly before you enjoy them. Now, if you love this recipe, which I'm sure you will, go check out my website for more healthy recipes like this at pamelasalzman.com, and I hope to see you back in my kitchen next week.